हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन मैथ्स क्लास। इस वीडियो में हम कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का एक्सरसाइज 1.1 सीखने जा रहे हैं। इसमें एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, इक्वलिटी ऑफ टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, दैट मीन्स अलजेब्रा ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स करने जा रहे हैं। एक्सरसाइज 1.1 के फर्स्ट टू क्वेश्चंस हमने ऑलरेडी इसके पहले के वीडियो में किए हैं, जिसका लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है। चलो लेट अस सी इक्वालिटी ऑफ टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स। सो व्हेन टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स आर इक्वल, z1 is a plus ib and z2 is c plus id भी टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स। ये दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर तब इक्वल होंगे जब इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग रियल पार्ट और इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स सेपरेटली इक्वल। मतलब z1 is equal to z2, then here corresponding real and imaginary part. So real part of z1 और इसका real part of z2, that is c. So a must be equal to c और imaginary part of z1, that is b, and imaginary part of z2, that is d. So b must be equal to d. Then these two complex numbers are equal. Now remember, इसमें दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में कंपैरिजन नहीं होता है, यह हमको नोट करना है कि z1 इज नॉट इक्वल टू, कोई भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर किसी दूसरे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर से छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता है, दैट इज अ कंपैरिजन। और ऑर्डर रिलेशन डजंट होल्ड इन केस ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स। मतलब वी कांट से दैट z1 इज लेस देन z2 और z2 इज लेस देन z1, हम ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते। सो इन केस ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर ऑर्डर रिलेशन डजंट एग्जिस्ट, ये हमको याद रखना है। टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स आर इक्वल व्हेन देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग रियल पार्ट्स एज वेल एज इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स आर इक्वल, देन टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स आर इक्वल। दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट इक्वालिटी, एडिशन ऑफ टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, हाउ वी ऐड टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स z1 plus z2. So we separately add real part a plus c. A is a real part of this, c is a real part of this z2. So a और c हमको ऐड करना है, that is adding real parts. Then I into imaginary parts. Imaginary part of this number is b, and here imaginary part of this number is d. So b plus d into I. So a plus c plus I into b plus d. That is z1 plus z2. Addition of two complex numbers. Further, subtraction. So in case of subtraction, z1 minus z2. So similarly as we did in the addition, इसमें भी हमको क्या करना है, a और c, मतलब रियल पार्ट हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, इमेजिनरी पार्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट किया। सो दैट इज z1 minus z2 is a minus c plus I into b minus d. So this is what subtraction of two complex numbers. Then multiplication और ordinary multiplication जैसे हम करते हैं, z1 into z2, a plus ib into c plus id. So a into c, then a into id, then ib into c plus again ib into id, that is I square bd. Here we know I square, that is equal to minus 1. So I square is equal to minus 1, therefore it is minus bd. Here from these two we'll take I common, यहाँ से हम I common लेंगे, so I common लेने पर ad plus bc रहेगा। Here I square, so it is minus 1. See here I square is equal to minus 1. So therefore this I square is minus 1 into bd. Here ac. So without I, that is a real number. So real number we collect, that is real part is this ac minus bd plus I into ad plus bc. So this will be what? Multiplication z1 into z2. So z1 into z2, here ac minus bd plus I into ad plus bc. This is what multiplication of two complex numbers. So while multiplying, we use here I square is equal to minus 1. और जो real numbers है, real numbers we collect in one bracket, we collect together, and then I common ad plus bc. This is what multiplication of complex number. Now we'll do practically that, taking questions from exercise 1.1 and we'll understand. Now Z1 upon Z2, that is quotient or division of two complex numbers, we will see. So division of two complex numbers, Z1 upon Z2, that is division a plus b, a plus ib and c plus id. So look at the denominator. इसमें जो denominator है उसका complex conjugate numerator और denominator को multiply करना है. So we will multiply complex conjugate of denominator to numerator as well as denominator. हम इसको multiply करेंगे complex conjugate of Z2, that is c minus id. So c minus id we multiply to numerator and denominator, c minus id. Now in multiplication, a plus ib, always keep in mind, a plus ib into a minus ib, that is equal to a square plus b square, a square plus b square, because it is a square minus I square b square, and minus I square is equal to plus 1. So a square plus b square. So here c plus id into c minus id will give us c square plus d square. Denominator will become c square plus d square, and this multiplication will be ac minus aid plus ibc minus I square bd. Again this minus I square will be plus 1. So it is AC plus BD. This will be plus 1. So AC and plus BD. So AC plus BD. फिर यहाँ पे I कॉमन लेंगे हम. BC minus AD. BC minus AD upon c square plus d square. This means what? कि हम डिवीजन करते समय we will multiply to numerator as well as denominator by conjugate of the denominator. So here conjugate of denominator will be c minus id. We multiply it to numerator and denominator. Now here we should keep in mind that in addition, subtraction and multiplication, see in addition, suppose Z1, Z is a complex number a plus ib. What about Z bar? That is conjugate of that, Z bar, that is equal to what? A minus ib. Now when we add this, we should note this. When we add Z and Z bar, what we are getting? Addition, Z plus Z bar. So ib and minus ib is getting cancelled, and a plus a will be what? 2a. But a is what? Real part of z. So that means we can write here 2 times of real part of z. That is z plus z bar is equal to 2 times of real part of z. फिर हम subtraction करते हैं तो z minus z bar subtraction. So a will get cancelled and minus of minus will be what? Plus ib plus ib is 2ib. यहाँ पे हमको आएगा 2ib, that is 2 times of here z minus z bar. So that will be equal to what? 2 times of ib. So therefore it is, here we should note that z plus z bar is equal to 2a. Z minus z bar is 2. Here a will get cancelled. It is 2 times of ib, and z into z bar is equal to what? इसका multiplication करेंगे हम. So x plus y into x minus y will give us x square minus y square. मतलब a square minus I square b square. But minus I square is what? Plus 1. So therefore it is a square plus b square. Z into z bar is equal to a square plus b square. Now let us see exercise 1.1 question number 3. Question number 1 and 2 we did in the previous video. So question number 3, find a and b. So here it is given, this equation is given to us. अब इस इक्वेशन में से हमको a और b फाइंड करना है. So obviously two complex numbers are equal here, and we know equality of two complex numbers. When does the complex numbers are equal? Two complex numbers are equal when their real parts as well as imaginary parts, corresponding real and imaginary parts are equal. So we equate real part and imaginary parts here by equality of complex numbers, and we find what? A and b. So let us do this first question. We do this first question. A plus 2b and 2ai, that is 4 plus 6i. So here real part of this will be this a plus 2b, and imaginary part will be what? 2a. So here real part is this 4 and imaginary part is 6. So we equate them. So real and imaginary parts separately we equate by equality of complex numbers. So real part is a plus, this is by equality of complex numbers. A plus 2b is the real part. Here real part is 4. Imaginary part is 2a. Here imaginary part is 2a. This is the imaginary part. And here imaginary part is 6. 6. Therefore a is equal to 3. And we substitute a is equal to 3 over here. Therefore from this first equation, so we substitute a is equal to 3 here. So आपको मिलेगा 3 plus 2b is equal to 4, and that is 2b is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1, and b is equal to 1 by 2 we are getting. So a is 3 and b is equal to 1 by 2. A and b we have to find first. Second question. Here multiplication is there, a plus b, 2 plus I, b plus 1, 10 plus 2ai. So we first multiply it, simplify left hand side. So हम a plus b से multiply करेंगे. So 2 times a plus b. Again a plus b is multiplied to this I, a plus b into I, and the right hand side is b plus 1 into 10 plus 2ai. 10 plus 2a into I. So is equal to b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2a into I. Now further, this is real part. Here it is real part b plus 1. So 2a plus b into is equal to b plus 1. We equate the real part and imaginary part separately. A plus b is imaginary part of this. Here imaginary part is what? 10 plus 2a. 10 plus 2a. We equate real and imaginary part. So that is you are getting, इसको आगे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, 2a plus 2b and this b. So 2a plus 2b minus b, that will be 2a plus b is equal to 1. यहाँ पे minus a minus 2a, that is minus a, and b plus b is equal to 10. So if we subtract, see this is equation 1, equation 2, ये b eliminate कर सकते हैं हम. So we subtract equation 2 from 1. So this will be 3a. If we subtract equation 2 from 1, so this will be 3a, and b is eliminate, is equal to minus 9, and a will be equal to minus 3. Therefore a we substitute here, substitute a here, it will be 3. So b will be equal to what? So this is what, from second equation, 3 plus b will give us 10, and b is equal to what? 7. So we are getting here a is equal to minus 3 or b is equal to 7. So this is why equality of two complex numbers we equate After multiplying this, we equate real part and equate imaginary part, and we are getting these two equations. So we solve this. A is -3 and B is what? 7. Fifth sub question, 1 upon a plus ib is equal to 3 minus 2i. So if we take reciprocal of both sides, दोनों साइड का हमने रेसिप्रोकल लिया, तो we will get a plus ib that is equal to 1 upon, इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं हम, 3 minus 2i. डिनोमिनेटर में 3 minus 2i, so multiply by conjugate of this denominator. So 3 plus 2i is the conjugate. Here also 3 plus 2i. 3 minus 2i and 3 plus 2i will give us 9 minus, here the numerator is 3 plus 2i and the denominator में 9 minus 4i square, मतलब 9 plus 4, or we'll write it 9 minus 4i square, minus I square is plus 1, so this gives us 3 plus 2i upon 9 plus 4, which is 3 plus 2i upon 13. Here a plus ib, a plus ib. Therefore we equate real and imaginary part. So a will be equal to 3 upon 13 and b is equal to what? 2 upon 13. 2 upon 13. So a is this, b is this. 3 upon 13 and 2 upon 13. So a is equal to 3 upon 13 and b is equal to 2 upon 13. We are interested to find a and b. Here multiply it. Multiplication will be what? A plus ai plus ib plus I square into b, and it is equal to 2 plus I. Here I square is minus 1. So a plus I common from here, two terms, a plus b, and this is what? Minus b. It is 2 plus I. Now real part is what? Real part is a minus b is the real part, plus I into a plus b is the imaginary part. This a plus b is imaginary part, a minus b is real part. राइट हैंड साइड में आपको 2 plus I है, so real part we equate, that is a minus b is 2, a minus b is equal to 2, and imaginary part is a plus b, that is equal to 1. Now adding these two, b is getting eliminated, so 2a is equal to 3, that is a is equal to 3 by 2, and substitute a is equal to 3 by 2 over here, so you will get b is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. Here a plus b is equal to 1, a is 3 by 2, so substitute here, so 1 minus 3 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2, so b is minus 1 by 2 and a is 3 by 2. So we equate, after multiplying this, we equate real and imaginary parts. We are getting these two equations. हम दो equations solve करेंगे, so that you are getting a is 3 by 2 and b is minus 1 by 2. Let's see question number 4. Question number 4 में क्या करना है हमको? First of all we will express, ये जो फॉर्म में दिया है उसको a plus ib फॉर्म में लाना है, and further a और b का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, कंपेयरिंग. So what is the question? That 1 plus I upon into 1 minus I raised to power minus 1. Raised to power minus 1 मतलब ये डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. That will be 1 plus I upon 1 minus I, and फिर डिनोमिनेटर में है तो will multiply conjugate of the denominator to numerator as well as denominator. So this is equal to 1 plus I upon 1 minus I. ये डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, so that multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of the denominator conjugate of denominator आएगा 1 plus I, so we multiply here 1 plus I, as well as denominator we multiply by 1 plus I. Here it is 1 minus I, so that it is very simple. Now 1 plus I and 1 minus I, it will be 1 minus I square, 1 minus I square. अब ये 1 plus I whole square होगा, 1 plus I whole square, and we expand it. So this is equal to minus I square is plus 1. So denominator आएगा 1 plus 1, and this is 1 plus a plus b whole square. So it is 2I plus I square. And again I square is minus 1. So this will be 1. This I square is minus 1. So it is 1 plus 2I. 1 plus 2I and minus 1. So 2I and minus 1 upon this is 2. So this gives us 0 plus 2I upon 2, that is I. मतलब we express it in a plus ib form. हमारा a आएगा 0 और b आएगा 1. So therefore here a is 0 and b is equal to 1. This is the required a plus ib form. यहाँ पे a is 0 है और b is क्या है 1. Let's see this next question. We'll first simplify the numerator. Numerator हम simplify करेंगे 4i plus 3i square होगा. Denominator is 1 minus I. फिर इसके डिनोमिनेटर की कॉन्जुगेट से हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 plus I is the conjugate. Multiply to numerator and denominator. I square होगा minus 1. So 4I minus 3, because I square is equal to what? Minus 1. Denominator 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So it is 1 minus I square. ये as it is we multiply, then it is denominator is minus I square is plus 1, so it is 1 plus 1, and multiply with this. So 4I into 1, 4I into I, that is 4I square, minus 3 and minus 3I. So 4I minus 3I is I, and 4I square. So this 4I square, that will be minus 4, and this is minus 3. 4I minus 3I is I square is minus 1, so it is minus 4 and minus 3, and denominator is 2, which is minus 7. Minus 4 minus 3, minus 7 plus I upon 2, so that in a plus ib form it will be what? 7 by 2 minus and plus 1 by 2 into I. That means our a is minus 7 by 2 and b is 1 by 2. So therefore we can write here a is 7 by 2 minus and b is equal to 1 by 2. So we have expressed it in a plus ib form. हमने इसको express किया है a plus ib form में, and further we have find here a is what? minus 7 by 2 और b कितना है? 1 by 2. Fourth sub question, 2 plus I 3 minus I upon into 1 plus 2I. So सबसे पहले हम इसको simplify करेंगे denominator को. 3 minus I and 1 plus 2I. Simplify it. 3 into 1, then 3 into 6. It will be 6I. Then minus I and then minus 2I square. So denominator simplify करना है हमको. So it is 2 plus I upon, simplify the denominator, 3 plus 6I minus I and then minus 2I square. Minus 2I square. Minus I square is plus 1, remember. 2 plus I upon this 3. 6I minus I, that is 5I, and this is what? 2 plus 2 minus I square is equal to what? I square is minus 1, so minus I square is plus 1, it is 5. 2 plus I, this is 5 plus phi I. Now we can take this phi common from the denominator. ये denominator से phi common ले सकते हैं हम. So it is 2 plus I upon phi 1 plus I. Then we multiply by conjugate of the denominator. इसका conjugate होगा 1 minus I. Multiply numerator and denominator. So it is 2 plus I into 1 minus I. Conjugate से हम multiply करेंगे. So that phi as it is 1 plus I into 1 minus I. We multiply by conjugate. So which gives us 2 minus 2I minus I square upon this phi as it is. 1 plus I into 1 minus I is 1 minus I square, which is further plus 1. This is 2 minus I and this plus 1 upon phi into 1 plus 1, it is minus I square is plus 1. 3 minus I upon, this is 3 minus I upon, this is 10. So that we are getting a plus iv form as 3 by 10 minus I into 1 by 10, or plus this minus 1 upon 10. So that a is equal to what? 3 by 10, and b is equal to what? Minus 1 by 10. So we are getting a is 3 by 10 and b is minus 1 by 10. So next sub question we will do, that is fifth sub question. 1 plus I upon 1 minus I whole square. So conjugate of 1 minus I will be 1 plus I. So we multiply inside the square 1 plus I and into इसका conjugate, denominator का conjugate 1 plus I upon 1 minus I into 1 plus I and whole square. फिर ये 1 plus I into 1 minus I is 1 plus 1, it is 2. So denominator will become 1 minus I square, that is 2. 1 plus 1 it will be. And here multiplication of this is 1 plus I whole square and whole bracket raised to power 2. This 2 as it is. फिर इसको हम expand करेंगे 1 plus 2I plus I square and divided by 2 whole bracket square. Minus I square is minus 1. So this gives us 1 plus 2I, and this is what? Minus 1 upon 2 bracket square. Here 1 is getting cancelled and this 2I upon 2 is again I. So this will be 2I upon 2 whole square. 2 is getting cancelled. I square is equal to what? Minus 1. So this means we can put in the form minus 1 plus, this is I square is minus 1. So we'll write it minus 1 plus 0I. It means a is equal to what? Minus 1 and b is equal to what? 0. So we put this in the form minus 1 plus 0I, that is a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to what? 0. Look at this question, that is sixth question. 3 plus 2I upon 2 minus 5I, 3 minus 2I upon 2 plus 5I. So multiply this, we will take LCM of the denominator. What will be the LCM of denominator? 2 minus 5I into 2 plus 5I is the LCM of denominator. 2 plus 5I will multiply here, 3 plus 2I into 2 plus 5I plus 3 minus 2I into 2 minus 5I. Multiply this, which is here 2 plus 5I into 2 minus 5I, it is 4 minus 5I square, that is 4 plus z into z bar. It is always a square plus b square, that is 4 plus 25. So it will be 4 plus 25. फिर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम ये 4 2 into 3 6 plus 15i, then 2i से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4i plus 10i square. Further, this is expansion of first multiplication of this first two bracket. Plus sign is there. 6 minus 15i plus minus 15i and then minus 4i and plus 10i. Square. Here 15i and minus 15i, 4i and this minus 4i is getting cancelled. Now we are getting here 6 and 6 is 12 plus 10i square and 10i square, which is 20i square upon this is 29. But I square is minus 1 and we are getting here I square is equal to minus 1, therefore it is 12 minus 21, 20, because I square is equal to what? Minus 1. Yeah, I square is minus 1, so it is minus 20 upon 29, which gives us minus 8 upon 29. Now this minus 8 upon 29, this is a purely real number. We can put in the complex number as 0 plus I. That means the number can be expressed as minus 8 upon 29 plus 0 into I. That means our A is equal to minus 8 upon 29 and B is equal to what? 0. And our B is equal to 0. So we have expressed this complex number into A plus IB form, where A is the real part minus 8 upon 29 and B is the imaginary part, it is 0. 1 plus I raised to power minus 3. So raised to power minus 3 means what? Upon, we'll write it 1 upon 1 plus I raised to power 3 and we'll expand it. Denominator ये expand करेंगे. So which gives us 1 plus 3I plus 3I. See, A plus B whole cube, that is A cube plus 3 A square B plus 3 AB square. AB square means what? I square it is, plus B cube. B cube means I cube. Here I square is equal to minus 1. I cube will be equal to I square into I, that is minus I. So this is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 3I, and this is what? Here I square is minus 1, so it is minus 3, and this I cube is minus I. So 3I minus I, that is 2I, and this 1 minus 3 it is minus 2, and this plus 2I, which is 2 we take common from here, minus 1 plus I upon here 1 upon, now we'll write it 1 into conjugate of this we multiply, minus 1 minus I is the conjugate. Conjugate of this is minus 1 minus I, this 2 as it is, minus 1 plus I into minus 1 minus I. That is minus 1 minus I upon 2 into A plus B into A plus IB into A minus IB, that is A square plus B square. So it is 1 plus 1 it is. This gives us 4. Here 4, and it will be minus 1 minus I upon 4. This is 4. So that means minus 1 upon 4 plus I into minus 1 upon 4. So that means this can be expressed as minus 1 upon 4 plus I into minus 1 upon 4. That means A is minus 1 by 4 and B is also minus 1 by 4. For I raised to power 8 minus 3 I raised to power 9 plus 3 I raised to power 11 minus 4 I raised to power 10. So I के पावर्स हम अच्छे से करते हैं. I is what root of minus 1, I square is minus 1, I cube is I square into I, मतलब minus I to the power 4 is 1, और I raised to power 4n मतलब multiple of 4, integral multiple of 4 है. So in that case I raised to power 4n is always equal to 1. मतलब I raised to power 8, I raised to power 12, I raised to power 16 all are equal to 1. So we find what we'll express it in a plus ib form. I raised to power 8 clearly it is multiple of 4 so 1 होगा. I raised to power 9 we can write as, see this I raised to power 9 we can write as I raised to power 8 into I. अभी I raised to power 8 1 है, this is 1 so it will be equal to what I. Now question arises this I raised to power 10 or I raised to power 11. So I raised to power 10 इसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं I raised to power 8 into I square. I raised to power 8 1 होगा, this is what 1, multiple of 4 है इसलिए 1, and I square is already minus 1. So this gives us 1 into minus 1. I square is minus 1, I raised to power 8 is 1. So which is equal to what? Minus 1. Now I raised to power 11 we'll write as I raised to power 10 into I, but I raised to power 10 we said minus 1, so which is minus 1 into I. Therefore I raised to power 11 is what? Minus I. So if we substitute it, 4 I raised to power 8 is 1, 3 I raised to power 9 that is equal to I, so it is minus 3I plus 3 upon 3 I raised to power 11 that is minus I, so it is minus 3I minus 4 I raised to power 10, I raised to power 10 is minus 1, so which is plus and minus 2. This is what 7 minus 3I, 7 minus 3I upon, here it is 2 and minus 3I, 2 minus 3I, multiply by conjugate of this. So इसके conjugate से हम multiply करेंगे numerator and denominator. 7 minus 3I into 2 plus 3I upon conjugate of denominator, that is 2 plus 3I. Here 2 minus 3I into 2 plus 3I, which is denominator is 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, a minus ib, a plus ib, a square plus b square. Multiply it 14, this is 21I minus 6I and minus 9I square. Simplify it. Here 4, see 21 and minus 6. Here it is minus I square is plus. So it is 14 plus 9. This 14 plus 9. Minus of 9 I square. Minus I square is plus 1. So it is 14 plus 9. And this is what? 21 minus 6I. So which is 15I. Then here denominator is 13. This is 23 plus 15I upon 13. So therefore a plus ib form will be what? 23 upon 13 plus 15 upon 13I will be the a plus ib form of this. In this video we have completed third and fourth question. From fifth question we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.